How to remove a false copyright claim with Vidnami. Did you get a copyright claim on your Vidnami video on YouTube? The good news for you is it's a false claim. Vidnami has paid for the rights for you to use those images, videos, and music. As a benefit of your subscription to Vidnami, you get access to this I Use Vidnami community Facebook group. Inside this group, you will frequently see posts from the actual staff of Vidnami. This one in particular has been posted several times, calling out the fact that they know that we've been facing false copyright claims. So we, as in users of Vidnami and the people that use Vidnami for their videos, they admit that they understand our frustration and that they are actually frustrated too because they spend large amounts of money on these fees. So with these false copyright claims, they, as in the staff of Vidnami, will actually help resolve the claims for you, so you do not have to do the work. And because this is a frequent problem, I made this video to help you out. So watch this entire video if you want to know what a copyright claim looks like, how to get the copyright claim removed from your YouTube video, how to get Vidnami to resolve the claim for you step by step. I'm going to walk you through the entire process and why it is important to get the copyright claim removed, and last but not least, an alternative place to get free music to use for your videos without the false claims. Here's what the false copyright claim looks like. Yesterday, I just posted a video from Vidnami. So myself and Susie here, we went in Vidnami and we created 10 different video examples to show what Vidnami videos look like. And when I uploaded it to YouTube, I got this copyright claim immediately. So when you're in your YouTube dashboard, you'll see this copyright claim here. It's going to be under restrictions for the video that got the claim. If you want more information about the claim, click on See Details in this box here. It's going to open up the video and tell you where the claim is coming from. So you can see here, the company that's actually making the claim is called Hawk for a third party on behalf of Storyblocks. This is because Vidnami actually uses a lot of media from Storyblocks, but they have paid a contract to Storyblocks in order to use that media. And the reason you want to get this removed is because it means that if you ever put ads on this particular video, you cannot make money from the ads. The ad revenue would actually go to the copyright owner. You can also see what's being claimed, so it's the actual music. It's called Beyond Measure. It's by Jason Donnelly. It's the background music in this video, and this tells you where the copyrighted content is found. So the one important thing to note is that a copyright claim does not affect your channel, meaning it doesn't actually hurt your channel. What hurts your channel is an actual copyright strike. So if this company came back and confirmed that they actually had the rights to this and that I used it illegally and wrongly, then they could actually put a copyright strike on my channel. However, it's not a strike, it's just a claim. Hawk claims to be a rights management company where they actually keep a watch on content uploaded on the internet, and they supposedly specialize in flagging and finding when your content has been used illegally. The problem with this company called Hawk is they actually are known for doing fake copyright claims. In other words, false copyright claims. So if you get hit with a copyright claim by Hawk, know that you're not alone and it's not the first time and it probably won't be the last. They have a repeat history of actually making these false claims. So much that there's actually a petition to actually ban them from making these false claims. Because Hawk for a third party has made thousands of fake copyright claims via YouTube, claiming right to original content for YouTube subscribers. This is an internet fraud scam, stealing millions in revenue made from videos where they do not own the content. YouTube's copyright claim form allows anyone to submit claim rights to any video and collect the revenue fraudulently. If you look down here, Hawk for a third party is guilty of abusing this process for financial gain. Now that we know it's a false copyright claim, I'm going to walk you step by step on how I get this resolved and how I get the copyright claim off of my video and off of my channel. Step 1. Submit a support ticket at noblesamurai.com/c/support. Submit your request. Step 2 is to provide these details in your request. A link to your post that got the copyright claim, the name of the audio track used, and the name of the claimant who has made the claim. A good step to take is to take a screenshot of this and attach it to your request. Then hit submit. Then you will receive an email notification that your support request has been received. Now the team of Vidnami will actually handle the request for me. Okay, after submitting my request, the Vidnami/Noble Samurai support team responded, and they asked for one additional piece of information, which is the Vidnami Video ID or the link to the video in your account. So this is actually referring to the video that was created in Vidnami and pulling out the video ID that's associated with every video that you create in Vidnami. Let me show you what that looks like. Inside my Vidnami dashboard, you have all of your videos. Click on the video that got the copyright claim, which is this one for me, the Vidnami promo video. The background music is what got claimed as the copyright. When you click into it, you're going to see this up here. The number they are looking for is this right here. This is a video ID. This number is different for every video you have inside Vidnami. So you have two options. You can literally copy and paste this, just the number set, and put it into the support request, or you can copy the entire URL and paste it in there. And that's what I ended up doing down here. I just provided the actual ID, and then they responded. This is Brendan, part of the support team. They actually submitted the dispute for the claim on the video now, saying that you should receive an email notification in the next few days once the claim has been lifted. So I've updated the instructions here, and I will include these instructions in the description below. But just know there's an additional step in addition to providing a link to the media that got claimed on YouTube, the name of the audio track that was used, or the media that got the copyright claim, and the name of the claimant who is claiming the copyright. You also need to provide your Vidnami Video ID that has the claimed media. And literally in less than 24 hours, I did receive a notification from YouTube. This is what it looks like. It's saying that the copyright claim has been released on this video. Now you know what a copyright claim looks like, how to get the copyright claim removed from your YouTube video, how to get Vidnami to resolve the claim for you step by step, and why it is important to get the copyright claim removed. Hint, hint, if you want to make money from the ads, get the copyright claim removed. Now the only thing left to cover is to show you an alternative place to get free music to use for your videos without the false claims. And that's going to be the audio library found in your YouTube Studio dashboard for your channel. Here you can access thousands of free music soundtracks and even sound effects for you to use in your videos. Because these are provided by YouTube, these are lesser known to get copyright claimed. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, definitely comment below. We'll be more than happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this, and give this video a thumbs up. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching.